About to do a demonstration on VeraClean products, and this is just a quick demo to show how good the glass will come up, hopefully, because this shower is pretty bad. I'd say it's probably got about 4 or 5 months of soap scum on this shower. Fortunate enough to have a friend that doesn't clean their shower, so I'm about to demonstrate. Just pop this one on the camera stand so you can see. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray this door down. Because it's so bad, I'm going to leave it on for 20 minutes. And then I'm going to come back in 20 minutes and just wipe it off with a cloth and some water, and let's see how good it comes up. The 20 minutes is up, so now I'm just about to rinse this off, and as you can see it's already quite clear, so it's lifted a lot of the grime off. So let's get in here. This product has no smell, so it's great. You can get in the shower and you won't choke on it. Unlike the other products in the supermarket that practically kill you cleaning your shower. So it's non-toxic, it's plant-based, it's not tested on animals. What else can I tell you about it? It comes up beautiful. So, give that one a quick rinse down. You can use it on your shower, your toilets, you can use it on your bench tops, and prepare food after, because it's plant-based, it's got no toxins in it. It's safe to use when preparing around food. It kills 99.9% of pathogens, all the germs and bacteria. And look how great that's come up. It's fantastic. No scrubbing. And let's just give it a quick, it's still a bit wet, but it looks great even wet. Give it a quick wipe, just so you can see how clear the glass has come. You can also buy a system which comes in 4 bottles already filled with 3 cloths. One for the bathroom, one for the kitchen, one for general purpose surfaces, and one for decontaminated. So, like the other day when the dog got sick on the carpet, I cleaned that up with water, and then I sprayed it with the VeraClean decontaminated spray, and it took the odour out and also took the stain out of the carpet. And great. As the shower looks great, with not much effort, which is fantastic. And there you go. That's VeraClean, nice and sparkling clean. Hope you enjoyed this demonstration. If you want to purchase this product, just click on the link below, and that will help me to make some more VeraClean videos for you. Thank you for watching. Bye.